Hello, I'm the Soda Game and I'm going to play for you guys. Well, you pressed the button. Yeah, and by the way, there's 2 days left until the 13th January 2016. And I'm going to put out a video that date uh, where you have a chance to have your YouTube name that in a random time in my video. I will just say that name for no reason at all at some point at my video, and you win that by, if you have a special YouTube name you want me to know, just write that down in the comments below, and well, there you're going to make a face, like a smiley made of, well, something. So, not an emoji, but I can give you a tip, a very easy one. You take that double dot thing and a big D. It will be 2 eyes and 1 open mouth. Well, let's do this. Would you will get a longer summer vacation. You have shorter holiday breaks. Well, I actually have it kind of good here, so yeah. Oh, wait, no, 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 no. Press the. God. Okay. I have a question. Can you see the TARDIS there? It's a clock. I made it all by myself at school. I will show you later how it looks like. If you can't see it now. Wait a minute, I got an idea. Follow me in my house. Drop my mouse pad. Look at it. If you're not a fan of Doctor Who, then it's okay, but why not? I need to know. Why not? Why wouldn't you? It's a good TV series. Really good. One of my favorites. You should really like that TV series. Think about that next time. Okay, so what were we talking about? You can have all the money you desire. All of it? Really? All of that $10? I'm going to be a millionaire if I got that $10. But you can only spend it on Big Macs. If you like food on McDonald's, that's okay, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. I don't know, it's just that not that Swedish hamburger taste, I guess. You see me spin, right? Well, actually, I'm not. You're just hallucinating. You shouldn't drink that coffee from that dude in the corner of your schoolyard. Or if you're not in the schoolyard, then I know that it was on some random schoolyard you just go to for no reason at all. You shouldn't drink that coffee next time. You're hallucinating. It looks like my face cam is moving. Why? 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 Why is my voice so weird I sound like a computer? That's totally normal. Do that every day. So just deal with it. It was bad. 'cause I don't like McDonald's hamburgers. Why would you have mustard and pickles on a hamburger? They good. I mean, I don't like mustard, and I like pickles, but not on hamburgers. So okay, let's go to zombie invasion. You can save the world. I'll start a zombie invasion and save the world, or I will save people from the zombie invasion. It's just, it's not. It will. It's not zombie invasions will be real. No, it's just zombie invasions. You can save the world. That sounds like the worst commercial ever. You'll die. I still don't got it. Why would I die if it's what? Oh my god! Look it down there in the comments. Look there. Look, 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 look. Illuminati confirmed! They're watching me. They know I'm discovered the Illuminati. They're here any minute now. So we shall maybe keep on going. It was good. Just to say someone was good. You will become immortal and travel the multiverse. Awesome! You will live a life of sadness and regrets, which you will pleasure wherever you go. No, I'm good here. If I want to travel somewhere, I have my TARDIS. Look, look down there. At the comments again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Doctor Who. She knows that I have the TARDIS. I need to get out of here fast. Faster than fast. Do I get it? Oh my god. Look there. Funny, do I get a TARDIS too, or is it a travel package? She knows I have the TARDIS too. I shouldn't have said it. Did you spoil it for them? Why? I thought you were my friend. Okay, how could you betray me? If you betrayed me, you could at least be one of my subscribers. 'Cause then you would do something good to me. If you was the one to spoil that. Or just some random person that haven't subscribed yet, please do it. I don't really care about subscribers, but you know, I have 4. You know, 4. Okay, but better than nothing. You get the only copy of Half-Life 3 in existence. Play right away. To play right away. You can only play through a complete it once, and you can never reveal anything. Maybe first I should play the other Half-Life games. Weed become illegal. It's cancerous. No. Why? 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 Why would I make it illegal? It's still bad for your body and lungs and body and that sacs you have inside your body that fills with air when you breathe in, and the body You can eat whatever you want, whenever you want. It will always be good refrigerated leftovers. Well, I can eat normal food too. It's just that whenever I want. So, your new best friend is a flying magical carpet. Cool. You will never die and cannot be damaged in any way. You cannot eat any foods other than lemons with Tabasco all over it. Okay, I like Tabasco. I like lemons. But if you mix them together, I can use my TARDIS for traveling and that never die part. That's you don't need to eat if you never die. But I love food too much. I couldn't live any longer without food. This will just be I'm so hungry, and then when you just usually starve and you're so hungry that all you want is to die almost. Jesus, that's horrible. Okay, you and 5 people can travel to the moon, and you can live there as normally would on Earth. No oxygen tanks required. The internet still works, etc. As soon as you get to the moon, you're stuck there for at least 10 years. Oh, a hard one. It would be cool if it was Mars. I would go. Jesus, that's cool to live on Mars. Moons, yes. Well, you can like if you survive long enough to the world's end, you're just super old, like 100 years old or something, maybe more, like 200 years old. What if you survive long enough and then you and 5 friends are the only survivors, and you survive and you live on the moon? Oh, that's cool. And then, of course, you need more humans, but that's cool. It's easy to fix if you know what I mean. Don't look at me like that. No, stop. Oh, you don't know what I mean even. Okay, it's okay. And then it's a new species of human, you can say, that can survive on Mars without oxygen tanks. That's cool. That's cool. You can delete any website from the internet and it will never be restored. All of its users you know in real life will hate you forever. Maybe it's a website no one of people I knew even was a user on. But I don't use websites that is bad, yes. Why would I? Good. It was good. I get $100 in your bank account every day. You can only spend it yourself. You must accept a phone call from a starving child before every meal. I will leave that to you guys. Don't forget the competition and always remember